Your products make the world a safer and more extraordinary place. From New York to California, from the US to Europe, and all over the world, Natech customers are changing lives, saving lives, and helping to create lives. You develop COVID-19 tests so people can test for infections and keep their loved ones safe. You develop IVD devices so even when the odds are against them, couples can still have a family. You develop HIV tests so people around the world can access the care they need. You develop gastrostomy devices so tough situations can be a little easier for the little ones in our lives. You develop anti-choking devices so anyone can be a hero. You develop new products we use every day in our homes and our backyards. You are inventors, entrepreneurs, neighbors, and you make us better. We learn and grow with you. New capabilities, new technologies, new achievements. We can't do any of this without you. At Natech, we make sure life-changing products get made, but it always starts with one brilliant idea. Your idea. Thank you.